All right, am I getting red on me? I hope not. Oh, I am. Bugger. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very exciting Chanel 21P. So this is Spring Summer Act 1. I have some items from this collection that I'm going to be unboxing today. But before I dive into today's unboxing video, if you are new to my channel and you love luxury, then I would love if you would hit that subscribe button below and also the bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, which is twice a week on a Wednesday and on a weekend. All right. Let's dive right into this unboxing because it is preschool day today, so I have to go and get my daughter pretty soon. But I wanted to unbox these because I want to start using them ASAP. All right, now both of these items, like I said, are from 21P, the Spring Summer Act 1 collection. They are from my sales associate in Chanel, Australia, which is not in the same state. She is in a different state, and I prefer to deal with her because I feel like I get the best service. Like, her service is absolutely amazing. The reason that put me off buying in Sydney was because there was just too much demand. Whenever you want something, it's pretty much sold out straight away, and the VIPs tend to get it because there is just crazy high demand in Sydney. All right, first item is actually an item that Isabel style. Isabel, if you're familiar with her, she has a YouTube channel here. We both talked about getting this because we plan to wear this item like as a top. So if you watch her channel, you already kind of know what this is going to be. So opening it up, and inside is the 90 centimeter square scarf from this collection. The retail price on this scarf is $650 Australian. Now I think Isabel got the navy one, if I'm not mistaken. I think she got the navy one, whereas this is actually the black and white colorway. So this gives me vibes from, I think it was the La Posa cruise collection, which was 2019 cruise collection. It gives me that vibes. I don't know if you guys remember that swimsuit that was in black and white, but that's what this reminds me of. So yes, planning to wear this as a top. That is how it looks. If I have a mod shop by the time that I've uploaded the video, then of course I'll put it on the screen. If not, just follow me on Instagram, Purseonfleek, and that is where you'll see all my outfits, what I wear, and that kind of thing. But yeah, really happy with this. I love the style. I'm not big on scarves in general, but when I seen this one on the website, I was like, you know what? This would look so great as a top, because usually the way that you kind of do scarf tops is you fold it in half. And this is actually perfectly halved to be black or white. So you could either wear it white one day, you could wear it black. There are a few ways to kind of do scarf tying, to do as tops. I'm still very new to it. Definitely check out Isabel's style YouTube channel. She has a video on how to tie a scarf as a top. I will link that down below for you guys, but I think that's a great reference point to use for learning how to tie your scarves as tops. And the big ticket item. This has actually got the new Chinese Lunar New Year packaging. This is like a velvet camellia. It feels different than the usual one. It's a little bit more firmer. You can definitely feel the texture of velvet, so that's nice. And then it's got the new Chanel red and white ribbon. It's always nice when Chanel do different packaging, even though the Christmas one was a bit disappointing. But this Lunar New Year one is really quite nice. I prefer it than the Christmas one. It is still a bit of a glitter bomb though, like not as bad as the Christmas one, but it's still a bit of like red glitter kind of floating around on the box. My sales associate has given me a heap of extra camellias as well, which is nice. Why not? Because they're cute. So yeah. Oh, and of course, as usual, my actual camellia has come off. All right, you notice my t-shirt? It's a Karl Lagerfeld t-shirt. A little bit of a tribute happening here. Maybe that's a bit of a hint what's inside. And I am super take that off. I am super excited to unbox this. Like, I'm kind of, how do I put it? Like, I'm a bit anxious at the same time as well because it's a big purchase, and I had been thinking about it, wanting it, umming and ahhing, going, do I take the plunge? Because I haven't had the best of luck with being able to find the right Chanel item for me. Chanel bag. Like, it's a bag. Like, come on, we can tell it's a bag, and let's not keep it a secret here. Yeah, I've been wanting to find the right Chanel bag for me. I have still on my wish list the Chanel Classic Flat Maxi or Jumbo in the vintage 24 karat gold plated. I still really want that. I have wanted that for so long, but I've been wanting to add like a new Chanel bag, like brand new from the store. And probably this might be the only Chanel bag I ever buy brand new from the store, because I'm just not that big on Chanel, and I really don't like their price increases. They're getting crazy. But I had been wanting this bag for a while. It has been on my wish list since 2020. It was in like the maybe because of the price point. I was like, I don't know if I can do it for the price. But the classic flaps are just getting so crazy expensive now that, and the price increases, they just keep going up and up. And I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna get it. I'm just gonna get it and be done with it. Please feel free to guess down below. What do you think is inside? What do you think I bought? Because I know that a lot of you who watch my channel it would be hard to kind of get an idea for it, because even on my wish list before, I had a multitude of different bags on there. And I've kind of even already mentioned that it could be a classic flap inside. So, and that was on my wish list. And then there was another bag that was on my wish list. So yeah, have a guess while I'm opening this up. And there's a little peek coming through. I present to you I need to put this down. Chanel 19. All right, Chanel 19 in the very sought after, as my friend calls it, poo brown, but she loves it too. She calls it the poo brown, but she absolutely loves it as well. And she enabled me to get this. She's like, you just have to get it, get it. And I'm so glad that I did, because I've been wanting this bag for so long. And the price has always put me off. But like I said, you know, the price keeps going up and up and up. And there's not much of a saving in the pre-love market. There's like maybe 500, 600. This isn't the first Chanel 19 bag that I've tried on or seen. I actually tried this on and seen it in a couple sizes in the Sydney boutique back in, I think it was in December 2019. And I fell in love with it then and there. I loved it. I tried it on in the Tiffany blue. I would have even bought it then and there if they had a beige, like a light color, or the black, but they didn't have any in stock. They only had the Tiffany blue, and I didn't want to get that. That was too much of like it was a bit too out there for me when it comes to buying like a brand new Chanel bag. That's why even me unboxing this isn't like a surprise or anything like that to me. Like, I already knew how the bag is, I knew how it feels, I knew that I loved it. But let's open her up and have a look. Now, let me share with you the retail price. The Chanel 19 did not go up in our latest price increase for Australia. It did go up, I think, in the US, but in Australia, we didn't get an increase on this, but we did previously. I think before the retail price, when it first came out, was like 7,360, if I'm not mistaken, back in 2019, and it is now $8,030 Australian. So that is a pretty big price increase. However, I feel like it's still okay compared to, like, say, the Chanel Classic Flap in small. I feel like that had a massive jump. I think it went from like 7,000 back in, like, I think it was like 7,500 in 2019 to like 9,500, like almost 9,500. So that to me is far worse. I feel like the Chanel 19 has kind of gone up in a manner that's not so distasteful. It's a bit more bearable, but I knew that if it went up anymore, there was no way I'd be buying this bag, and I really wanted it, and you only live once. I also feel that buying it in this color as well, that's what the inside looks like too. I feel like buying it in this color is also a bit safer because it's a neutral. I love neutrals. I love warm tones as well. I'm yet to add the Hermes gold color to my collection, so I still totally would, but I feel like this kind of, you know, it adds that bit of that color that I've really sort of been looking for. Even though I have the Barenia Mini Ruly, at the moment I don't know what the status will be, if it's going to be sold or if I've decided to keep it. But at the moment when I'm filming the video, I am selling my Mini Ruly from Hermes, and that's in Barenia, and it kind of looks like Hermes gold. But that's kind of why I was like, you know, if I'm thinking of letting that go, I really wanted to make sure I still had like a warm brown in my collection. I'm not selling it because I got this. It's just that Mini Ruly, whenever I look at it, I wish it was in gold hardware. And that's what's made me not be able to totally be in love with the bag, like totally be in love with it, because it's not in the hardware I wanted. Whereas the Chanel 19 is mixed hardware. I'm not going to spend too much time sort of going over the bag because I feel like a lot of people are already sort of familiar with it anyway. Let's have a look over the bag because I haven't exactly had the best of luck. My Chanel Mini Wok had some problems with it. So just gonna make sure it looks fine. Yeah, it looks really good. I can't see a mark in sight. Like, it looks amazing. It's got that aged gold sort of worn look to it. So all the gold is already aged and worn looking. Turn lock is already looking aged, which I think is a standard thing with the Chanel 19 anyway. Back pocket looks good. So yeah, I might as well take off all this stuff. However, I do want to restuff the bag while I'm taking everything off. I'm fine with it kind of getting slouchy and stuff like that. I really like how it's going to get that slouchy look. So I've just taken off all the paper. But yes, that is how she looks. Absolutely stunning. This is in the small size. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. I actually really like all the sizes of the Chanel 19. I love the small. I love the large, medium large, whatever you want to refer to it as. And I love the maxi. Yeah, I love all the sizes. That is it. I'll do a review eventually on this bag, I'm sure. Totally love it. Just follow me on Instagram if you want to see me wearing it and using it. And I'm very excited to start using it, and that's why I had to unbox it right away. It only just arrived today, so I have to text my sales associate and let her know that it's here safely and that I'm in love with this smushy little pillow. Ooh, the smushy poo pillow. It's so beautiful. All right, that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.